guys, welcome back to the bobber build project. Earlier I think I forgot to mention that obviously, as you can see it, I chopped it off. I'm going to make it a hardtail bobber, and earlier I filled this all the joints with a filler, dent filler, and today I have sanded it down, and now it's time for the paint job. Doesn't look that good right now, but I think it doesn't have to be perfect because I'm going for that rough and tough look, as I told you, red bike type of thing. So let's get started. After 2 coats of primer and again 2 coats of black, this is the final result. I'm happy with this, and maybe I'll do another coat of black later. I have also painted the chassis. What do you call this attachment that attaches the chassis to the engine? This is the primer. I'm waiting for it to get dried, and then I will spray it black. Well, that's it for today. See you next time.